Hi guys, welcome back to New Modern Beauty. So today I'm gonna do a very quick product training video on 4 simple steps to get your skin tightened V-face. So first of all, you need your Lumispa treatment gel, and I actually use 2 Lumispas at a time, but for demo purposes I'm just going to use one because most of you guys only have one, right? Imagine that you're in the shower and your face is already wet, and then all you have to do is wet the surface of the Lumispa. My skin is not like wet at the moment, so I'm just going to use the spray, the NAPCA spray, to moisturize my face and also on the device as well. Okay, and then here we go. We're gonna wash my face on camera because why not? Because all you guys are my members, so I just want to show you how this is done. Okay, so I will put about that much gel, and then the one I have is normal combo. The normal combo is the one I use in the morning, and I actually use oily gel for oily skin at night. So I'm gonna turn it on. So okay, if you're in the shower, you can kind of distribute the gel a bit like this because you don't mind that it droops down, right? Because you're in the shower, you can just wash it away. All right, so I'm just gonna turn it on. As I mentioned before, 4 parts to Lumispa. Each part is 30 seconds like this, 1 2 3 4, and then you just put it onto your skin and let it do its magic. So like I mentioned before, guys, don't press too hard, don't move too fast, because what happens is when you push too hard, it stops. Okay, and then if you move too fast, it also stops, pauses to tell you that you're moving too fast. So this is the steps to remember. I, like the letter I. C, the letter C. Okay, maybe like in camera it's backwards. C, J, scoop up J. Okay, so I, C, J, and then on the nose, press down your nose and let Lumispa do its magic, removing all the pores and dark spots and the dark blackheads on your nose, and then you just go up like this. Okay, so you see 2 minutes is actually very fast, and then I'm just gonna do like half of my face at the other half of my face, okay? Because usually 2 minutes on Lumispa for me, because I use 2 at a time, right? So I actually use 2 minutes on this side and also 2 minutes on that side. So it is very okay. Here we go. So every time 30 minutes is up, it actually goes good like that, so that you know that it's time to switch sides. So you have the top part. This is maybe 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here. That's how I usually divide my time. But like I said, I use Lumispa 2 minutes on each side, so I'm just gonna do that to show you. And guys, pay attention to my face to see if you see any difference. Okay, that's 2 minutes. I think I could I show you guys? When I smile, do you see? Still a little lumpy here, and then that part is more sharper. Can you see that? Okay, you can screenshot this from the beginning of the video to the end of the video, how my face beat up. And in another video that I put together, I also mentioned massaging the back of your ear. This is when all the lymph nodes are. You can even go onto your neck. You see? So this is like, if you don't have a galvanic spa is this machine that I have here. And this is the one that I use for lymph node drainage and also for a more intensive tightening on my face. This is what I use. And it's really for shaping, whereas Lumispa is more for skin tightening and skin renewal. And then also, of course, both of these help you promote cells that produce collagen. So a lot of people think that collagen is something that we eat and then our cells will produce collagen, but that's not really necessarily the case. You need to make sure that you exercise properly. Just like people who take our TR90 program and then they were like, oh, I'll eat this, I'll gain muscle, and then I'll lose weight. But it doesn't work like that. You have to exercise, like how your skin needs to exercise in order to tighten your skin. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, right? And also, guys, don't forget the bottom here. This is very important. Ayo, I pressed too hard. Okay, so this, look at that. Oh, finished. Okay, so that's both sides, and then now when I smile, I feel like this side's bigger now than the other side. Shoot. Guys, this is exactly why I use 2 Lumispa at a time, because then this way I know exactly how many strokes I'm working on each side, because sometimes you put more here and then you put more on this side, so that you end up having a bigger cheek here and then like sloppier under chin here. I mean, it does happen, and girls, we really do hate uneven face, right? I mean, everybody wants to have a symmetric face because scientifically it's proven that symmetric face is more beautiful. So I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back to show you how to put the uplifting cream and also the blue pearls onto my skin, and I'll be right back.